Hi, I'm Steven Preston from InBroadcast, and here I am at IBC 2015 with our InSight interviews. With me today is Mark Barnes from DB Broadcast, who's going to give us the information about new products for the show.
Hello. Yes, so at IBC we're highlighting three main areas of our products. Firstly is the ASI and transport stream monitoring and switching. And in that area we've introduced a new product called the IQ ASI 25 module, which is a 2 input and 5 output changeover switch. It has 5 outputs for distribution amplifier, so it's a combined switch and DA. That's a new product which we're introducing. In addition to that, we have a very established range of history in ASI and transport stream monitoring. We've been industry leaders in that area for a long time. One of our most popular products is the IQ ASI 82 product, which is a monitoring switch with some detailed transport stream monitoring capabilities and near seamless changeover capability. So it's a 2x2 switch. That is available in the IQ Modular form factor. And in addition to that, we have an ASI DA, which is a complementary product to go with our ASI switches. So we're focusing on moving our portfolio of modular ASI monitoring switches into the IQ modular form factor. That's generally the direction which we're moving in.
Also, you've got some new products or new features in your DVB T2 range?
That's correct, yes. So we have an established product, the Merlin. That's been deployed successfully at transmitter sites throughout the world, and in particular in the UK, it's being used by Arqiva for monitoring their transmitter monitoring at their relay sites, and it's also being used for signal acquisition as well. And we've done an update to that receiver product to make sure it's compatible with the latest DVB T2 standard, which is version 1.3.1 of the standard. So that means we can address other countries deploying the latest versions of the T2 standard. In addition to the Merlin product, we also have a modular version of that receiver, which is again an IQ modular Hawkeye product, and that is compatible with the IQ modular platform. Provides the very similar functionality to the Merlin, but in a modular form factor. So where density is a requirement, where there are many channels to be monitored, we can deploy the IQ DBT 105 module version of the product, and that also supports the latest DVB T2 standard, version 1.3.1. So the Cardinal mains distribution product initially was a product developed for use at remote transmitter sites, so hilltop sites, areas that are not easily accessible and unmanned. So it was designed to very high quality standards, very high EMC and immunity standards for those applications, where operators and engineers are not necessarily located in the same building or the same facility or the same area as their hardware and their equipment. So it's becoming more of a general requirement to be able to have visibility and control of the mains distribution in equipment racks. And we're ideally placed, with the background that we have of developing these intelligent mains distribution units, we call them, to be able to provide people with remote access and remote control and remote monitoring of the mains in their racks. So at this show we've done some enhancements to that Cardinal product. We've added an integrated temperature and humidity sensor, which gives people environmental monitoring of their rack, so they can have a warning if air conditioning is not working as it should be, or there are problems with pieces of equipment. And we've also increased the number of GPI inputs on the unit to 16 per unit, and that makes it a much more capable telemetry handling device.
Mark, thank you very much for taking time to talk to me. This has been Steven Preston from InBroadcast.